Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a car guys. Practically it could be any car. And if you're wondering, okay, can a bad wheel bearing cause uneven tire wear or tire cupping? Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Now before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And as you can see, that engine right here, we are constantly removing engines, fixing things so we can save you money. Now if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them from. So let's explain now if a bad wheel bearing can cause that, and we'll prove you why now guys. Okay, so this right here, okay, it's a Ford vehicle that we'll be demonstrating on, but the procedure will be about the same on other cars as well. So if you look at, okay, the wheel bearing, okay, is behind the brake, the disc rotor. We remove actually the brake pad so that the disc rotor is not contacting anything, so you can hear the noise yourself. The shocks are in great condition, they're not leaking. This is just regular dust. Okay, you can see this is not oil or anything. The car doesn't bounce, it's in great condition suspension wise. All the bushings were checked out fine. We took it to an alignment shop, confirmed that alignment is great. And actually bad wheel bearing guys, okay, is what is causing our uneven tire wear. We want to show you, okay, the tire wear, and we will explain how to diagnose the bearing. But now check it out, you can definitely see it. High spot, low spot, high, low, low spot here, high, low, high. So you can see it's super uneven guys. Okay, it's so uneven. Now why that happens? Because when the wheel bearings go bad, in some cases they can develop a play. That play can cause the tire to kind of like vibrate, shake unevenly, and that can cause that tire wear. Especially most of the cars nowadays, they have a negative camber, which means that the tires are tilted a little bit that way, looking at the vehicle from the back to the inside. Okay, the bottom side is towards the outside of the vehicle, so on the inside of the tire will have more, okay, more weight on it, and when the bearing develops a play, that can actually develop guys uneven tire wear. Now we have a special video on the channel that explains, okay, how to replace wheel bearing on a car without any special tools. If you have the pressed ones, if you have the one that's part of the hub, they're super easy. But if you have the ones that are pressed in, we have a video that explains how to do that, and it's one of the most popular videos. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. But we want to show you now with the brake pads removed here. Okay, you will notice, okay, we're going to spin that wheel bearing quick, and you're going to notice, okay, the noise coming out of it. So listen now for it. Okay, so that's a bad wheel bearing guys. Now another thing, at high speeds you hear that humming, rumbling noise, and that could be because of both the bad wheel bearing, and when the tire gets bad it's going to get even noisier at that point. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.